Greetings, it's Matt Feeds. Hope you're well, guys. Hi, YouTubers. I'll just quickly do a video on how to create video shorts and add them to Google. I'm going to use free websites, okay? Absolutely free. You don't have to pay, okay? I know the YouTube shorts are really starting to go up in lots of rankings, and you can actually benefit from this on your videos. All right, guys, let's get into it. Boom. Let's go. Hi guys, this is my tutorial on how to create shorts and use these free platforms. And what you can do, you go straight to TikTok, okay, so tiktok.com, okay, do a search, say, you know, that's what I'm searching for, say, let's say crypto funnies, little shorts. So let's do a search for those, click on that. Okay, I'm going to do this as a prime example, okay. Let's choose this one here for video's sake. Let's have a look at this one. Click on that. Okay. What I'll do is I copy the URL, okay. Then I'll go straight to this platform here called TikTok Downloader. Alright. I'll leave the link below. It's free. It's a free website. Okay. Then what you do, you put your URL here. Okay. So what happens is it takes the watermark off the TikTok video. Okay. Because obviously, if you're going to download it onto YouTube, you don't want a TikTok logo, do you? So this is a brilliant way to remove the watermark on your video you just grabbed from TikTok. Okay. And then obviously you can make this your own. So the next one you're doing to download it, so download, then you come to this page here, it says without watermark, click on that, and what will happen is it'll download on your downloads, okay, so it's downloaded already, okay. Then what you do, you go straight to your folder, alright, which is here, so just download it, that's where the file is there, okay. So if I just move that down a bit, all right. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to Canva, which is a totally free platform. I'll leave the link below. I'm not an affiliate of this company. So if I click on this Canva, I'll leave the link below on the description. What you do is you go to the search, and you've got to search for mobile video, okay. Press return, okay, and then what you need to do, it brings you to this page here, right? It says create blank. So you click on this button here, well, the area, so when it says that, and it'll populate, okay, and then you need to download the file from your downloads, okay. So what you need to do, scroll down here on the left hand side, it says uploads, click on uploads, and it says upload file. Okay, so I download it onto my downloads. So if I can find it here, there it is. Downloads. That's where the file is. So click on that. Open it up. Okay, download. It just takes a little bit of time, depending on the speed of the internet. Okay, right. So that's done that. So what I do, I move that across there, like so. Okay, just turn it down a bit. And what I need to do is just move it into the space, and then I'm going to make it my own. Okay, so if I move it down a bit, so move this up a bit, move that down there. Okay, right. So then I need to, after you've done this, okay, and what I need to do, I go to, on the left hand side it says elements, okay, because I want to put some script here or script down there. I just want to make it my own, okay. You can actually, the beauty about Canva, you can actually manipulate it and make it a little bit bigger or smaller, depending, well, it's up to you really, you know. It's very easy. But anyway, as I said previously, go to elements, okay, and then you want to do a rectangle box or square box, okay. So I'll click on that, and it give me a give me a box. I obviously want to turn it to a colour, so I turn it to a colour, down, do it white. Yeah, do it white. Do any colour you like, really. I'll put it down there. Okay. In fact, I'll put that there, I'll say. And then I want to put some text in it. So I'll go on left hand side, go to text. Okay, click on that. Then I want to put, say, I'll move it down. Move it down there. I want it black. We'll just move that up a bit. And what I'll do is I'm going to put, I do want more comments on this. So how do I do this? Is I put, say, I don't know, let's say, please comment. Because the reason why I'm saying that, because the more people comment on your YouTube video and likes or whatever, the more it go for, well, got a good chance of going viral, or you get loads of likes and people will subscribe to your channel. Also, you can actually get it pointed to a website or wherever. Okay, but anyway, that's what I'm going to do, is put the please comment, and then I'm going to just move that out of the way. Just move this out of the way. So I'm going to quickly turn it into a colour. I think red, actually. Yeah, let's say red. Let's turn it into red. Okay. That's a bit better. Let's move it down a bit. Move it over there. Okay, move this up a bit. That looks a bit distorted, actually. Let's play it a bit. Let's play it. See what it's like. Okay, I'm going to have to manipulate that a bit more, so I'm going to have to reduce that down a bit. Okay, because you're not really getting the whole picture, are you, really? So let's do that again. Okay, I'm just trying to keep it, you know, copyright free, so I'm just, you know, moving things around, yeah? Okay, and if you you know, if you download a video and it's got music in it, you've got to be very, very careful, because YouTube will flag you up as copyright. So what you do is, if you go to click on the image here and it says audio, you can actually put this down to take the sound off, and then obviously when you export it, have those sound. Okay, but in this case it's okay because it's not any music playing. Okay. I'll just move it there. Right, I'm happy with that. It's just a basic video. I can upload this to YouTube now. So what I do is I need to download it or upload it. Okay, I'll download it. I'll download it on my downloads file. So you press the button download, and it will send it straight to my download file. Okay. When you can either once you've got it on your download files, put it on your desktop and change it to a title. Okay, right click with your mouse and change it to a title. Okay, in fact I do that right now, actually. And then obviously you can upload it to YouTube. Okay, here we go. So that's the file there. All right. So what I need to do, I need to get that file and rename it. I'll have to, yeah, I'll put it on my desktop. Okay, let me just put that on my desktop. Okay, right, it's on my desktop now. So what you need to do is you need to right click, okay, and you've got to change it to a title name or whatever, you know, just give it a good title name, especially if it's going to YouTube. Let's give it a title name. Here we go, rename it. Let's call it, I don't know, grow your crypto. Grow your crypto. Okay. No, something snappy. Short and snappy, though, do. Right. Okay, so that's that. That's done. So it's all finished now. So double click on it. So just double check something. So it looks like it's okay. Click on that. Like it. So I'm happy with that. So what I do is go to YouTube and I will actually upload it to my channel. So I'm just uploading it. Okay, and just upload it. Okay, and then click on there, go to my desktop, try and find the file. Where is it now? Here we go, that's the file there. Click on that. Bingo! Obviously change that title. And then obviously put your own title in there. Try and match it up with the actual thumbnail, well, your video. And then you can upload it to your YouTube channel. And it's as simple as that. And it's free. You're using free platforms. And it's not costing you any money. And everything's all free. I do notice that you can buy these website softwares or the cloud softwares, and they're charging you $30 a month, you know. But by doing it this way, it's absolutely free, and plus you'll get some eyeballs on your YouTube videos or your promotions, what you're building online or whatever, or perhaps you're doing it as a hobby, whatever. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. My name's Matt Feast. Take care and have a great day, and I really appreciate if you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. There will be other videos, other tutorials of how to build your business online. And meanwhile, take care and have a great day. Happy days.